What's up guys, welcome back. Today we'll have a quick look at music for Sushi Restaurant by Harry Styles. I've covered his whole album, so if you want to learn any of the song, make sure you check it out my channel playlist. We got this nice little riff at the starting of the song, then we have one basic chord progression throughout the whole song. So we have goes like this. Before that I'll show you the chord shapes. First chord is the F sharp major. You just bar the whole first fret. You have second fret on the E, and you have a G string third fret. Then we have this E major chord. You bar the whole fourth fret. You have second fret on the E string with the pinky, one fret down. It's a E flat. So you got this. You got E flat. Then you have a D, which is 2 2 2 5. So 2 2 2 5, 3 3 3 6, 4 4 4 7. That's it. So once you finish up the riff, it goes like ba, 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 da, 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 da. And after that, throughout the whole song, it's basically this D major chord, this chord just going on. I think this is this F sharp chord which is going on. This goes on throughout the whole song. And then we have the riff, which I was talking about. It goes like this. So I hope everything is clear. Only when we have the music, we have this chord progression. Otherwise the whole song, and then this riff. I play second on E, 5 on E, E string, second, 4, second, so we got, and back to E string, 5, 2, and then on the A string we have 5, 4, 2, then 4, 2, then 5 on E, and repeat. That's the whole song. So I hope the video helps you out. Let me know what other song you want to learn. Do subscribe, it means a lot, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Bye.